everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal image into a 3D clay art effect in Canva. It's super easy and looks amazing. Okay, let's get started. First, just upload the image that you want to transform into a clay art, and then next, just remove the background like this, and then next, just go to apps, and then search for Vectorzer. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just choose colorful mode, and then just choose start tracer. Okay, like this, and after that, just add to the signs, and just go to edit, go to style match, and then just choose clay, this one. Like this. Canva will automatically turn the image into a 3D clay art look like this. And okay, that's it. Your image is now a 3D clay art effect in Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.